students, welcome to Year 8 Indonesian. Indonesian for the next couple of weeks and into the future will be online. And so in this video I'm going to show you what we will be doing in that online process. And in this video I'll also step out what I want you to do in a lot of detail. And then hopefully you can become more independent as we progress through the weeks. So we've been learning about stationery last term, and now we're going to be learning about school. So today's topic is subjects. And our niat belajar, our learning intention, students will be able to list their subjects, and students will be able to write sentences to give their opinion on subjects. Our do now is, in Indonesian, what materials would you need for your maths class? This is drawing on your prior knowledge, drawing from term 1 and what we learned about different stationery items. I want you to give me a list of items you would use in a maths class. And the way you do that is you go onto your OneNote class book. So here's your OneNote class book. And I want you to write the topic. So today's topic is subjects. And then I want you to write the learning intention. You can write students will be able to list their subjects, and students will be able to write sentences to give their opinion on subjects. I also want you to give yourself a rating out of 5 on the amount of effort you want to achieve today in this class. How much effort do you want to achieve? Do you want to try your best and give yourself a 5, or are you feeling a bit tired, or maybe you didn't have a good night's sleep, so maybe you're going to be a 2. And once you've done that, then you do the do now. So in Indonesian, what materials would you need for a maths class? Just give me at least 3 materials. If you wanted to, you can also give me more by just pressing enter. Then you can write your materials here. Okay, now I want you to pause the video. I want you to write your topic, niat belajar. I want you to give yourself an effort rating, and I want you to complete the do now. Okay, students, we're back, and hopefully you've done those activities I've asked you to do. I just want to let you know that your assessment task for this unit will be a cartoon comic strip. So you'll be creating a comic strip. Now, let's start with the lesson. So, today's lesson is about mata pelajaran. And mata pelajaran means subjects. So when I use the word mata pelajaran, I'm hoping that means subjects. Now, I want you to repeat that after me. I'm going to say it, then I'll pause, and then I want you to repeat it. So, mata pelajaran. Okay. I want you to give it one more go. Mata pelajaran. Awesome. So, I'm going to tell you mata pelajaran sekolah, which is school subjects. So, sekolah means school, and mata pelajaran, we just found out, means subjects. So, again with this one, I'm going to say the Indonesian. I'll pause, and I want you to repeat it after me. So, maths is matematika. So, repeat it, matematika. English is bahasa Inggris. Bahasa Inggris. Science ilmu pengetahuan alam. Or you can say IPA. So let's try the long version first, and then we can try the short version. Repeat after me. Ilmu pengetahuan alam. Or IPA. Indonesian is Bahasa Indonesia. Bahasa Indonesia. Art, kesenian. Repeat that, kesenian. Drama, seni drama. So, in both art and drama, they use the word seni, S-E-N-I, and that actually means art. And we know that drama is a form of art, so that's why we say seni before we say drama. Because drama in English could actually mean quite a few things. You've got drama TV, you have drama activities. Okay, cooking. So repeat it. Memasak. Music is the same. Music. It's important to also note the spelling. Usually when there's a C, in Indonesian we use a K. So that's also the same in maths. Okay, sport. Olahraga. And that could also mean exercise. So olahraga. PE. Penjas. Penjas. Health. Kesehatan. Kesehatan. History. Sejarah. Sejarah. Geography. 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 And similar to how instead of a C we use a K, when we see a PH, we use an F in Indonesian. And when we see a Y, sometimes we use an I. That's why geography is spelt with an F and an I, rather than PHY. Okay, again, I want you to go into your class 1 note, and you're going to be completing activity 1. So the first thing you want to do is you want to memorize the words. You can create flashcards. You can look cover say. So look is you go back to your video and you can look at it. So I'm looking at maths. I cover it and I say it. So mathematica. Okay, next one, English. I look at it, cover it, and I say it. Bahasa Inggris. You could also use Quizlet, and maybe I'll create a tutorial on how to use Quizlet, but you can create your own deck of cards on Quizlet. So, once you've done that, I want you to tell me what you did to memorize the words. So you just put the activity here. And the last thing I want you to do in this is I want you to go onto this link, which is a Kahoot, and I want you to complete it. You must use your name only, and you cannot use a different name. Okay, so now pause this video and complete those 2 activities. It should take you about 15 minutes max. Okay, so I hope you had some fun with the Kahoot. We're going to move on, and this time we're going to learn how to say some simple sentences. So, saya suka sekali means I really like. And I know that because I know saya means I, suka means, let's see what it means, like, and sekali means really or very. So, saya suka sekali means I really like. What do you think saya suka means? So saya means I, suka means like. I like. Saya tidak begitu suka. Okay, let's figure that one out. So saya means I, tidak begitu. Let's look. It means not really. And suka means like. So saya tidak begitu suka means I don't really like. And saya tidak suka means I don't like. So tidak means don't. So again, saya suka sekali, I really like. Saya suka, I like. Saya tidak begitu suka, I don't really like. And saya tidak suka means I don't like. So now we go on to activity 2. So again, open your class OneNote. I want you to write 4 sentences using the prompts from the PowerPoint. And the first one has already been done for you. So I already did the first one for you. You've got saya suka sekali, and I've said saya suka sekali bahasa Indonesia. So I really like Indonesian. I want you to write 3 more sentences. And with those 3 sentences, I want you to use different prompts. So again, pause this video and have a go at filling it out. Hi, welcome back. Now we're going to be learning some adjectives adjectives that we can use to describe our subjects. So again, I'm going to say it and I want you to repeat after me. Fun is soy. Can you say that? Soy. Fantastic or great? Asik. You could say asik. Repeat that after me. Asik. My favorite is kesayangan saya, or you could say favorite saya. And I just noticed a mistake. Favorite is not spelt with an E in Indonesian. So, try and repeat that after me. Let's do the first one and then we'll do the second one. Kesayangan saya, favorite saya. Excellent. Okay, next one is interesting, which is menarik. So repeat that after me, menarik. Easy, mudah, boring, this one's a tricky one, membosankan. So let's break it up. It goes membosankan, membosankan. And repeat that after me, membosankan. Enjoyable or fun, menyenangkan. And again, menyenangkan. 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 Hard and difficult, susah. That's easier to say, isn't it? Susah. And I'm good at is saya pandai or saya pintar. So this pandai and pintar, they actually mean smart. If you're saying I'm good at something, it's kind of like I'm smart at something. So saya pandai, and then you could say a subject. If I were to say saya pandai matematika, it means I'm good at maths. Okay, the activity for this one is I want you to complete these sentences. So go back, figure out what a soy means. Okay, let's go back. Okay, it means fun. So what subject do you find fun? So I find IPA fun. And IPA means science. Okay, so activity 3. And this might take you 10 minutes, it might take you a bit longer. I want you to record your voice saying the adjectives. So to record your voice, you click on Insert, and then you click on Record Audio. And I want you to say the adjectives. And here are the adjectives. And the next activity I want you to do is I want you to complete the sentences. And again, the first one I've already done. I've said, Ipa asoy. Science is fun. Now, you put in another subject that can be described with the word manaric. You need to figure out what manaric means. It means interesting. Okay, again, pause your video here and complete activity 3. Actually, you can pause it here. Now you can see the adjectives. You can complete activity 3. Okay, hopefully that wasn't too difficult. Let's just quickly recap what we did. So we listed subjects. We wrote sentences to give our opinion on subjects. Now, for your reflection, I want you to answer 4 questions. So again, you go onto the OneNote and you scroll down to the reflection. First one is, how well did you meet the learning intention? We do this in class. I get you to give me a show of fingers of how well you met the learning intention. 5 is I met it, I aced it. 1 is I had a lot of trouble. But because I can't see your fingers, you have to just type in. I'm going to give myself a 4. But you could give yourself a 5 or a 3. What is your effort rating for today? Okay, remember how at the start of the lesson I asked you to give me an indication of the effort you were going to put in today? I want you to scroll back up and see what you put there and tell me, did you do that? So if you gave yourself a 5, did you actually do a 5 in this lesson? If you gave yourself a 2, you actually do better than you think you would. And just give me a sentence of what did you do well? So maybe what you did really well was you stayed focused. Or maybe you were able to easily record your own voice. The last question I want you to answer, another one, you can write a sentence, is what could you do better next time? So that might be you might have to put your phone away so that you avoid distractions. Or what I want to do better next time is I want to make this video smoother. This was my first time doing a video as well. We're all learning here. And so thank you for being patient with me. Thank you for allowing my mistakes, and hopefully we'll both get better as we go along. Okay, see you next week.